So this is how to boil the water. First, put the water inside the kettle and close this lid. Make sure that the kettle that you're using is white and shiny because it's gonna speed up the process. Yeah, the water will boil faster than when you use the blue or black or red kettle. Yeah, and make sure that this is put on the left socket because just to give respect to the left-handed people. Okay, so make sure that you switch this on and then put this down and then it will start to boil. Okay, yeah, and while it's boiling, let's keep silent for a few minutes, yeah, to rest.